It's 3 for Thursday, and Crash Test Dummies, not the band, get a ride to the moon. Arbitrage News Daily starts right now. Good morning. This is your Arbitrage News Daily for Thursday, November 17th, 2022. I'm Joshua Stark. NASA's new moon rocket blasted off on its debut flight with 3 test dummies aboard Wednesday, bringing the U.S. a big step closer to putting astronauts back on the lunar surface for the first time since the end of the Apollo program 50 years ago. If all goes well during the 3-week flight, the crew capsule will be propelled into a wide orbit around the moon and then return to Earth with a Pacific splashdown in December. After years of delays and billions of dollars in cost overruns, the Space Launch System rocket that rocketed skyward, rising from Kennedy Space Center on 8.8 million pounds of thrust. And more after this.
Adopt US Kids presents What to Expect When You're Expecting a Teenager. Learning the lingo.
Jelly. Jelly adjective. Jelly is a shorter, better way to say jealous. As in, Chloe, I am like so jelly of your unicorn phone case.
You don't have to speak teen to be a perfect parent. Thousands of teens in foster care will love you just the same. Visit adoptuskids.org, brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Adopt US Kids, and the Ad Council.
Welcome to 3 for Thursday. Our first pick provides advanced mixed-signal optics products in the United States, Canada, Asia, Europe, and internationally. It operates in 2 segments, aerospace and defense, and broadband. MCOR, symbol EMKR, starts at $159 a share. Next, this pick provides image analysis, workflow solutions, and radiation therapy for the treatment of cancer in the United States. It operates through 2 segments, cancer detection and cancer therapy. ICAD Incorporated, symbol ICAD, starts at around $213 a share. Last, this pick is a real estate investment trust, or REIT, that owns and leases industrial and logistics properties throughout the United States. Industrial Logistics Properties Trust, symbol ILPT, starts at $359. Back after this on Arbitrage News Daily.
Honorary Forest Ranger Betty White here, lending a hand to my dear friend Smokey Bear. Because for years, he's only said,
only you can prevent wildfires.
But there's a lot more to say. Like if you park your car on tall, dry grass, the hot exhaust pipe can start a wildfire. So keep the animals safe, especially the cute shirtless one. Go to SmokeyBear.com to learn more about wildfire prevention. Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forester, and the Ad Council.
I hope you're checking out our blog at arbitragetrade.com for more insight on our news stories. Riddle time. I can be long and can be short. I can be black, white, brown, or purple. You can find me the world over, and often I am the main event. What am I? Answer tomorrow. We'll see you then. Don't forget we're available 24/7 at arbitragetrade.com and .org. Have a great day. We'll see you Friday for Fall Down Friday.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.